Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you the data types in the C programming language. The data type is used to find out what type of variables has been declared in the programming language. The data type is for the size and the type of the value that can be stored in the variable is called as data type, and also the data types is in C under various categories are shown in this figure. Okay, primary, user defined, derived type, empty data set. The user defined types, derived types such as arrays, function, structure, pointers are discussed in the concerned chapter. In this video, we will focus on the primary data types of the C language. The primary data types are also called as the fundamental data types. It can be classified into three types, which are integer data types, float data type, and character data types. In integer types can hold whole numbers. C supports three types of integers. Those are short int, int, and long int in both signed and unsigned forms. In this figure, you can understand integer types are two types. Okay, either we can declare it in signed manner or in unsigned manner. So short int, int, long int, short int, and long int. The integer occupies one word of storage, typically 16 or 32 bits. The size of the integer depends upon the size of the system bit. If we use the 16-bit word length, the size of the integer value is limited to the range minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Whereas the floating point types are the other type of the storage which holds the numbers containing with the fractional points. Okay, because in integer type it holds only the whole number, so therefore we use another type which is called as real type or floating point. Okay, which holds the fractional points such as 27.59 and minus 1.375, etc. There are two kinds of floating point storage in C. We can go for float or double. In double, we can have the long double also. The float type values are single precision numbers, while the double type represent double precision numbers. To extend the precision further, we may use the long double. Okay. The type and size of floating point. The float type, it occupies 4 bytes in memory. Double occupies 8 bytes in memory. Example 1.23, 7.5692 Mentissa, E5 exponent. Double precision types. Double precision types are used when we need greater precisions in storage of floating points numbers. All mathematical functions such as sine, cos, square root returns double type values. So therefore, whenever we are using mathematical functions such as square root, sine, cos, okay, so we need to have the double precision variables. So we may declare those variables in double data type. The next data type is the character type. In order to store the character constant in memory, C provides a character data type called CHAR. The char type assumes a size of 1 byte, so it can hold only a single character. The qualifiers signed, unsigned may be explicitly applied to CHAR, while unsigned char have values between 0 to 255 and signed char have values from minus 128 to 127. Okay, so if you are storing the string values, So how many characters you are going to store in that variable, it will take that many bytes. The last one is the empty data set. The void is the empty data type in C language. This is generally specified with the function which has no arguments, and we generally used with the functions which has no arguments. Okay. So this is all about the basic data type or fundamental data types of the C language. So kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.